So now we are going to start with our practical. So as I have explained in the design, we required three different ICs in this practical. So first IC is 74153, that IC has been placed here. Second IC is 7404, that is inverter, it is placed here. And third IC is the OR gate, that is 7432, that is placed here. Okay, so you have these three ICs I have placed here. Now first of all, the first stage is we are going to place the VCC and ground to all the ICs. So 8 number pin is VCC and 8 number pin is ground, and 16 number pin is VCC. So I am going to do that connection. So this is VCC, which is pin number 16, and pin number 8 is the ground. Now VCC and ground of second IC. And VCC and ground for third IC. So this is pin number 14 VCC, and pin number 7 will be given to the ground. Now see that here it is ground has been given. You can easily observe VCC and ground. Okay. Now see that this is our connection diagram. This I have explained you. So theory also I have already explained you. So according to this connection diagram, I am going to make the connections now. Now see that pin number 1, 2 is having this pin number 1 C, B. Then this is pin number 3 is to be given to VCC. Then pin number 14 is for A, and this for W. So in this way I am going to do all the connections now. Okay. So this pin number 1 is connected to C of my input. Then pin number 2 is connected to B. Pin number 2. So pin number 2 is connected to B input. This is connected here. Then pin number 3 is connected to VCC. This is according to the design. Design I have already explained to you. Then next is pin number 4, pin number 5, pin number 4 is connected to ground. Pin number 5 is also is to be pin number 5 is to be connected with pin number 12. So this is pin number 5 is taken, and it is to be connected with 10, 12, 10, 11 and 12, and then it is connected to the inverter. So pin number 5 has been taken. It is connected to 10, 11 and 12, which are to be connected each other. 10, 11 and 12, and it is connected at the output of your inverter gate. Now see that here this 12 is connected to output of this inverter gate. So it is pin number 3 and pin number 4. So pin number 4 of the inverter gate. So in the same way I will be doing all the different connections of these gates, and after the connections we are going to get the output according to whatever the design we have considered. Okay. Okay, so after all the connections we are again going to check the output. So now we have connected the whole circuit with the three ICs 74153, 7404 and 7432. So and this pin is showing me the output. So this is the pin, which is this pin, this shows the output, and there are three select lines. So these are the select lines, 4 select lines are there. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So A, B, C, D, these are the select lines. From these select lines, this will be A, this will be B, this will be C and this will be D. Okay. Now see that here if I want to give 0, 0, 0, 0, so all these will be 0 and I am going to observe my output. Okay. So this will be my output. Output will be 0. When I will press this as a 1, so this will be 0, 0, 0, 1 and I got my output as 1. So this is according to the min terms. I have the min terms as 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. So it will be equal to 1. Then now I will press 2. For 2 I am having output as, देखो यहाँ पे 0 है. I will press 3. So output has been converted to 1. Then 4. For 4 output is 1. Then for 5 output is again 1. For 6 it should go to 1. Then for 7 it is 0. Okay. So in this way we are going to check all the different conditions of my outputs. Okay. So now you got your designing part, you got what is basically mux, and then you have implemented the function and you have given the implemented the diagram and then you got the output. Okay. So that's all for this practical. Okay.